The whole crypto market is slowly going back up, but the question is the worst over, or will we see more pain in the market starting by tomorrow? That is the question that we should ask ourselves, and I have found in the charts some clues that gonna tell us where we actually will be heading. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, then definitely stick around here and subscribe to this channel, like the video, and it would also help quite a lot if you would comment and share this video with your friends and family so that we can get a little bit more exposure with the YouTube algorithm, and of course activate the bell. And now let's directly get here into today's content. So what we can see here on the 1 hourly chart so far is that the bullish hidden divergence has now played out to a certain extent. I don't think it's complete yet, but it has started to play out. But I think we have to be a little bit more conservative with our target here. So, and pull it down to $23,700. And also the stop loss, I made it tighter. So I'm still, after this video, going to take this trade, and I will show it in my free Telegram group so that everybody can see that I actually really put my money where my mouth is, and have here a tight stop loss. The stop loss is at $23,086, so only more or less $100 from where we are right now, and my take profit is at $23,700. So that will be a high leverage trade that I'm going to take there. I will do like 20x, 25x, something between that line, between the lines, something like that on that specific trade, because percentage wise, we are talking here about 2.29%. So with 25x, I would make like 50% on that trade here. So, and that's absolutely fine for me to walk away with 50% of profit. Don't forget, if you want to trade and you have not yet an account, do it and sign up on BYBIT. You still get $30,000 with that specific link, or on Bitget $20,000 also only with that link in a pinned comment below or in the description of that video. Now let's move on to the 4 hourly chart. On the 4 hourly chart, we see here the first signs that the Bitcoin price wants to break out of this falling wedge here. So we have finally now one candle outside the falling wedge, but we have to wait for the next couple of hours to see if we see some follow through and breaking through the resistance at $23,400, or if we will just see further downwards movement as stochastic RSI is already shifting with the momentum to the downside. So in 43 minutes, we will have a clearer picture with the new 4 hourly candle starting out, if we continue to go up, or or if we continue to go down here and fall back into this falling wedge pattern. So when I go back here to this 4 hourly chart, we can clearly see why the Bitcoin price is not moving higher, and that is because we are running here into this resistance area of 23,270 and $23,500. So it's a small resistance area, but it gives resistance right now to Bitcoin to move here higher. So what could potentially happen is that we see Bitcoin starting to go here a little bit more sideways under that resistance before we see an attempt to break through that, which could be potentially be tomorrow or after tomorrow. So I'm willing to keep my trade until then open. If I get stopped out, I would just simply re-enter as long as the market structure is not changing here. So the market structure overall is actually not that bad when we look at it. So we have here higher lows. So, and this low here is also still higher than the macro low, so which is bullish. So, and for now we have lower highs. So we have to admit we have lower highs because here was the higher high, and since then we have created a lower high. So that means the overall market structure is right now quite neutral. It can go either way. So, but I believe that the market will shift next week extremely bullish once the DXY is moving to the downside, as the DXY is facing crucial resistance from this insane stiff rising wedge and these two resistance lines here. So it would make a lot of sense for the DXY to come back down to let's say 104 points and potentially even fall through that and come back into here, into that support block of 100 to 102 points for the DXY. So also on the monthly chart, so if we keep the price as it is right now, we will see finally a bullish close for this month's candle, even though the candle is not the prettiest one out there. But also the stochastic RSI is indicating that we should see continuous movement to the upside as long as this monthly candle will be still green in the next 2-3 days when we close this specific candle. So the price has to stay above $23,160 to do that, and for now it's not looking all too bad. Also, when we look here back to the Wyckoff accumulation pattern that I've shown now multiple times, so if today's candle is the bottoming candle, then the correction is over and we went here to $22,800, and from there we will start seeing the reversal all the way up to 28K. So this will not happen in one single day. It will take a couple of days, maybe until the end of the next month, but I'm telling you guys, it is going to happen. Guys, that's the end of the video. It was, again, a really quick one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.